In March 1888, the Great Blizzard struck the eastern United States, paralyzing cities and altering the course of urban development. Snowdrifts reached over 50 inches, burying railroad tracks and halting transportation. New York City was particularly affected, with streets becoming impassable and thousands left stranded. The storm claimed over 400 lives, prompting urgent reforms in emergency response and city planning. As a result, cities began to invest in better infrastructure to deal with extreme weather, laying the groundwork for modern urban systems. This blizzard not only showcased nature's fury, but also highlighted the need for improved public safety measures, changing urban landscapes forever.